All right, so I picked up a new white noise machine from Hushing. Sorry, just couldn't resist. Hushing, Sushing. So I like to sleep with the whole sound machine thing, partly because I have tinnitus, so my ears ring, and so if I have a nice white noise sound machine kind of thing going on, I don't hear it and as much, and so I've tried a few different ones and not really found a really good one. This is way smaller than I expected. Um, so pretty nice size here of what are we looking at? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little over 4¼ inch diameter kind of thing, and a little over 2 inches high once you add the feet on here that have the nice non-slip kind of things on here. Um, so has USB-A sort of plug here, but then for whatever reason they use their own little thing instead of like a USB-C, which would be nice because then you'd have an extension, whatever. But so yeah, this one was supposed to looked really, really good in terms of having several different white noise varieties and non-looping kind of thing. Because like we tried some that have just a cycle to them, and that's just terrible. Um, so I will look through and figure this out and actually record it somewhere else because right now I have the kind of the noise isolating microphone here, so you probably wouldn't hear a lot of this. Has a night light. I don't need that. In fact, I would be happy with it if it's completely dark. That would be super for me. Um, so yeah, so let me play with that and just record it on the phone so you can hear some of the sounds. And so it should remember your volume and setting from last time. So that would be nice. But it is, reasonably compact. I think looks nice. Kind of reminds you of maybe another little digital circular sort of thing. But yeah, so I will play with this and record a little bit of what it does and see what I think. All right, so here is a quick tour. You got the turn the light on and you can control the colors here. Hold this in and it should brighten up. Hold it again and it'll dim and then light off. So that's that. And then sound machine. So alright, have that up so it remembers the last one you played, which is kind of nice. Automatically sets it to run all the time until you turn it back off. If you want it, you can turn it to 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, or back to infinite or keep running. Volume up, down. One thing I like here is no beeping, no other kind of crazy, so just on and off. So we go back all the way to the start. Okay, here's the start of the sounds. Let me tell it manual here. So we got brown noise, pink noise, white noise, soft fan. This is what my wife likes the best. Loud fan. Rain on yard. Heavy rain. Rain on window. Thunder rain. Stream in the cave. Brook. River. There we go, the gentle sea wave. Then we have the mighty sea wave coming up. Maybe. Okay, I guess it comes in at some point. Little sea wave. Water drop. Why you would want this? This would drive most people insane, but okay. Singing birds. Campfire. Fireplace, not all that much different. And a train. Not sure why, but okay. So, Brahms lullabies. Lullabies. And I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. Subot, S-U-B-O-T-E, lullabies. I don't know. Heart beating. So, maybe that for little kids, I don't know. This is called hushing sound. I don't know. Piano. Bless song. This is called alpha wave with dripping. Yep, I hear the dripping, okay. Stars in the night. And the last one is meditation. Okay, kind of calming. So, and then back to brown noise. So there we go. Pink, white, soft fan, my wife's favorite. I'll probably give her something like that tonight. So, hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a good day. Oh, light on one more time. Try to find something pretty. There we go. Go out with magenta or... There we go. Green. All right. Have a good night. Take care.